Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make my go-to Mexican style chicken salad. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. We're going to begin by filling up our pot halfway with water. To that we're going to add 2 bay leaves, half of an onion, 2 garlic cloves, and salt. We're going to set it over medium-high heat and bring it to a boil. Once the water comes to a boil, we're going to add a 1 pound of chicken breast. And we're just going to allow it to come to a second boil. Okay, and on the second boil, we're going to remove all of the foam formed on top of our broth. Once we remove the impurities from our chicken, we're going to cover it and allow it to cook for 25 minutes over medium heat. After 25 minutes, our chicken should be fully cooked. So we're going to remove it from the broth. Just allow it to cool down so we can shred it. And here I'm also going to be removing the bay leaves, the onion, and the garlic cloves. Okay, into my broth, I'm going to be adding 3 small diced carrots and 3 small diced potatoes. And we're just going to allow them to cook for about 10 to 12 minutes or just until they're nice and tender. Alright guys, so after 12 minutes, our carrots and potatoes should be nice and tender. Of course, just make sure that you check them. As you can see, they are done. So now we're just going to drain the water. Okay, we're just going to allow them to cool down. Meanwhile, we can shred our chicken. Okay, once we have shred our chicken and our potatoes and carrots have cooled down, now we can get ready to make our salad. Okay, so we're going to begin by mixing 1 cup of mayo with 1 cup of sour cream, 1/4 of a cup of pickled jalapeño juice, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and half a teaspoon of garlic salt. Just going to combine them all together. Okay, so once we have our dressing, taste it and see if you want to add any salt. For me, this is perfect. So now we're going to get ready to put our salad together. So here we have the chicken. Going to add the carrots and potatoes. 4 cups of shredded lettuce, 1 cup of peas, 1 cup of sweet corn, and 3 jalapeños. We're going to add our dressing and just begin to mix it all together. Once it's all mixed, we're going to refrigerate it for at least 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, we can now get ready for the fun part, serving. So of course you can serve it with a tostada or some crackers. Today I'm going to be enjoying it in a tostada. So just top it. And it smells so good. I'm just going to top it with a little tapatio. And just like that, we can now get ready for the best part. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make and so delicious. This is my favorite recipe to make when I just don't know what to cook. You know, it has all of my favorite toppings in there. And of course, if you don't like something, don't add it. But let me tell you that this right here, it's seriously the best. So I am so ready. Hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. I'd like to get my jalapeño. Get the juice. Let's see. That takes me back to the days I used to live with my mom. So good. The combination of the carrots and the potatoes is just the best. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make a super easy and delicious Mexican style chicken salad. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you get this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys at my next video. Bye.